Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've been shopping at Aldi's and I have bought their newest releases. These bear a remarkable resemblance to Korean beauty brand Glow Recipe. And wait till you see the bottles. These are available to order online and they go on sale in all Aldi shops on the 9th of May. So let's show you what they are. I haven't opened them up properly yet, but they just arrived today. And they're stunning. They are so lovely. I cannot wait to try this. A watermelon moisturiser. I absolutely adore a watermelon. Oh, look how similar. Look at the packaging. You could quite easily mistake that if that was on a shelf with the rest of the Glow Recipe products, wouldn't you? So there's 50 mils here and it contains vitamin E, niacinamide and watermelon fruit extract. And this cost me £4.99. Oh my word. Oh my word. Oh, it smells absolutely gorgeous. I love watermelon. I absolutely love the scent. Oh, that is so nice. This is going to be a very short video just to let you know that these are available to purchase online at the moment or in the shop on the 9th. But if you'd like me to do an in-depth review about them, then please comment down below, and if a load of you request, then I will do it for you. It feels so cooling and refreshing. Oh, it feels so nice. Really nice. I love gel moisturisers. I do really like them. They're very lightweight. They absorb nicely into the skin. Well, not all of them, but I'm thinking, you know, like Clinique Moisture Surge. That one's a really nice one. An oldie but a goodie. If you weren't already aware, all of Aldi Lacura range is cruelty-free. Fight off dull, dry skin and help reduce uneven skin tone with this gorgeous Lacura watermelon moisturiser, enriched with antioxidants, vitamin B3 and vitamin E with watermelon fruit extract and white peony root extract. Your skin will have a healthy glow and feel super refreshed. Perfect for getting you ready for the day or refreshing your face after a long day. And it's got down the bottom here, inspired by Korean skincare practices. Treat yourself to this wonderful moisturiser. So we got a watermelon moisturiser. Next we got a face serum, and this is a pineapple face serum with pineapple extract, vitamin C and turmeric, and it's 35 mils here. And again, this cost £4.99. For the 3 products, I had to pay shipping for online delivery, and the shipping was £2.95. I'm just laughing because look at the bottle. So similar to Glow Recipe. I love the quirkiness of it. I do really love, I love the bright colours. Let's try a little bit on my hand here. There. Smell of pineapple? Oh, it does. It does. It does. Yeah, it does. It really smells of, you can imagine, can't you, going to bed, pineapple serum on your face, then an avocado under eye mask, and then finish off with a watermelon moisturiser. It's smelling gorgeous. Fruity, at least. You'll be left feeling like a fine apple after using this gorgeous Lacura pineapple face serum. This clever formula delivers a combination of pineapple extract, vitamin C and turmeric extract to help balance skin tone for skin that appears more radiant and refreshed after each use. Formulated with acai extract and sodium hyaluronate, this serum will help skin appear smoother, glossier and visibly brighter. Gently pat a few drops onto clean skin morning and night and follow up with your favourite moisturiser. So you've got a pineapple face serum, and lastly we've got an avocado overnight eye cream. So it looks like that, and this costs £4.49. I love these bright colours. I know I'm going on and on about it, but I do really like it. It's nice. So this is a retinol eye cream. Doesn't really have a smell. There, so let's try a little bit on my hand. I might as well. I've put the moisturiser and the serum on there so far. It feels nice. It feels nice and cooling. No, I can just smell the pineapple. Oh, it does feel really nice. Oh, it does. So how much have we got there? There's 15 mils here. Looking on the Aldi website, this Lacura Avocado Overnight Eye Cream helps improve the appearance of dullness and dark circles while you sleep. Formulated with coffee seed extract and retinol, the sleeping mask will help skin around the eyes look more lifted, firmer and brighter. With added avocado oil, shea butter and vitamin B3 niacinamide, this overnight mask helps skin feel moisturised and smooth for rested looking eyes. Simply apply a small amount to the under eye area after cleansing in place of your normal nightly eye cream and gently tap the product into your skin to encourage absorption. For daytime use, layer with an SPF safe for the under eye area if you wish. That sounds so nice. Now, eye creams, I'm not that fussed about eye creams really. You know, they're nice. I use them day and night. I do use them, but I haven't got a favourite eye cream then. I can't say this is amazing. Everyone has to get this. It is so cool. I can't say that about an eye cream. I might say, oh yeah, this one is nice. It feels nice. As far as really working my under eyes, then I haven't really found one that does much more than a normal moisturiser, which essentially, they're both roughly the same thing, aren't they? But having a retinol under eye cream, that sounds amazing. That is obviously safe enough for underneath your eyes. That is good. I really like that. So Avocado Bright Eye Overnight Retinol Sleeping Mask. So yeah. So these are the 3 gorgeous newbies to the Aldi Lacura range. And in all honesty, although they're cheeky doing dupes, but their products are really good. They are really, really good. Their skincare, some of their makeup is okay, but a lot of it I'm not that keen on. But except for their concealer, which is a NARS dupe. Now that is amazing. I really do like that. But generally the makeup is very hit and miss for me. But their skincare, yeah, their face masks, their moisturisers, their toners, exfoliators, etc. Yeah, they're really good. They are really good. So I cannot wait to use this. I think the most exciting thing for me is this moisturiser because it smells so, so nice. And it felt gorgeous on my skin as well. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed watching. Please let me know if you are going to purchase these for yourself, or if you already have, what are they like? I'd love to hear your thoughts about it. So thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.